Hello everyone and welcome to today's reading. If you've come across this reading, well, this message is meant for you. The question that I asked these cards was, what is the emotional pattern that needs to be released? And well, we've got some really powerful cards. The first card that we've got is the Oracle of Revelation, insight into truth and revelation. Okay, that combined with Mother Earth, root yourself in earth and stability. So this again is a very strong card and a very grounding kind of a card. Whoa, the third card that we've got is Heart of Fire, ignite your creativity and passion. And the last card is Moonlight Sorcerer, use the moon's energy for meditation. So if you see, we've got such powerful cards, all four of them, and they're clearly telling us to focus on what keeps coming up again and again. And we know in the hearts of hearts we are aware what the truth is. So we need to pay attention to whatever it is that is coming up again and again. We need to root ourselves, be grounded, and believe that Mother Earth is there to support us, the universe is there to support us. And as we start paying attention to what our passion is, what ignites the fire in our heart, well, that is when whatever this specific emotional pattern is, whatever this pattern is that needs to be broken, will you'll be able to come out of it. And what will help, in addition to of course Mother Earth's stabling energy, is the moon's energy. So if you are still wondering what it is and you're not able to figure out, use the moon's energy to meditate and you will get your answers. You will understand what it is that this truth, this pattern is that needs to be broken, that you need to focus upon. And of course when you do it, will set your heart on fire. Now, one last card before we close. So, okay, let's see. Wow. So while I was drawing the cards, what I was asking the angels is to give an indication of whether, how difficult it is going to be to get out of this pattern. Well, what the angels want us to know is that we should fearlessly face the trials of destiny, because we have the heart of the warrior. I think this card says it all. We don't need to be scared. We don't need to be worried. We don't need to, be wondering who's going to support us. How are we going to be supported through this period where we finally face this truth, this pattern that we need to get out of, because the angels are telling us to be fearless. And with that, we come to the end of this reading. If this resonated with you, please feel free to contact me. My details are there in the description. Thank you so much for listening. Have a great day.